From lifting weights at the gym to landing up into a crucial surgery. So this is the story of Mr. Kshitij Gawande. He landed up into a serious ACDF surgery of spine due to inappropriate weightlifting and not having a proper guidance while doing the workout. Hello everyone, myself Dr. Payal Rathod, consulting physiotherapist at Chelaram Ultra Wellness Clinic. So he came with the complaints of reduced range of motion in his upper back, in his neck and his shoulder. He also had continuous cramps in the upper back and also pain. What we basically started for him is a proper planned and a guided program for him only for his treatment. The very first thing we started with is ultrasound at his shoulder joint because he had also a recent injury during the swimming practice he used to do. So to reduce the pain at a particular spot, we did the ultrasound therapy for him, and also to reduce the pain we also gave him a kinesio taping part, which is to maintain his range of motion and also help him to prevent further injuries in the shoulder. And for the neck part and for the stiffness, basically we started with the basic stretching of the neck, also MET program that helps in maintaining the range of motion. And we also started with DNS, that is dynamic neuromuscular stabilization. In that basically we focus in more re-educating the patient and proper using the muscles when you are doing a certain activity. It could also be in your daily routine and maintaining the good posture. Now he has completed almost 20 sessions with Chelaram Ultra Wellness Clinic and he is almost 70% better with good range of motion of his shoulder, good range of motion of his neck, and also no cramps which he used to frequently get, plus his all the daily activities are good to go. We are very happy to treat Mr. Kshitij and give him back his daily routine. So any of you having the same complaints, or if you have any doubts regarding any of the treatments here, please DM us. Our team will surely help.